All right, Fox News Alert, you're looking live in Wilmington now, Delaware, where minutes ago, Hunter Biden, as you saw, arrived. His first son getting family support as Jill Biden attended the jury selection on the 73rd birthday, on her 73rd birthday. And the president put out this statement, quote, "As the president, I don't and won't comment on pending federal cases. But as a dad, I have boundless love for my son. Our family has been through a lot together. Jill and I are going to continue to be there for Hunter." Here with reaction is Fox News contributor, civil rights attorney, Leo Terrell. Leo, what does it mean besides a father and a mother supporting their son? Is there another message to that?
I think the message is to influence the jury pool. Look, you got the First Lady, you got Secret Service, you got a high-profile situation involving the son of the president, and everyone in Delaware knows Joe Biden. So he basically has his case in his own backyard. So everyone knows it. So there's a tremendous amount of influence being put on by the Bidens to the jury.
All right, as we move through the timeline, by the way, I thought this was interesting. During the selection process, all of the jurors said they know someone who has been experiencing substance abuse or addiction. Almost every potential juror had said they have heard about the case in the news, and they still made the cut.
Yeah, because the judge will ask every juror, Brian, can you put aside any biases and follow the evidence in the courtroom and follow my instructions? If the jurors say yes, they're going to get on that case, unless they're biased, unless they say, I can't do it. They basically have told the judge they can do it. And I think that's why they're on the court. That's why they're on the jury right now. Yeah,
I just want everyone at home to see the timeline. There's so many different cases going on. In 2018, he buys a .38 caliber gun. We don't know why. It was a Cobra gun. Hallie Biden, Hunter's brother's widow, they start dating, sees that this guy, he's sleeping, sees the gun. She quickly tosses it in a pouch in a trash can. He wakes up and says, wait a second, where's my gun? They try to find it. They can't find it. In his book, he talks about that. He talked about I was smoking crack every 15 minutes at the time, so that's going to be trouble to say when you filled out that gun form and checked you weren't addicted to drugs. You lied. Hunter agreed to plead guilty to a misdemeanor charge to avoid prosecution. That deal collapsed. And then David Weiss charges Hunter Biden in a 3-count indictment on gun charges. What's interesting is they go to find the gun, they can't find the gun. And then when they go back, they say there's a homeless guy who likes to go through the garbage. Sure enough, it was him. He gets a .38 caliber. He gives it back. They asked Hunter at the time, do you want to charge Hallie Biden? He says no. Little did they know that he'd end up charged. Your thoughts?
No one in the Biden family ever thought this case would go to trial. No one. This is unbelievable as far as what happened. Thank the judge who basically negated the plea deal. But I want all the viewers to understand, factually, this is a slam dunk case. Why? Hunter's own words from the laptop, from the text messages. The first person is going to be the FBI agent. And then, Brian, family members are going to testify against him. Beau Biden's wife is going to testify about throwing the gun away. And then there's the forensic evidence regarding the cocaine on the gun pouch. So there's overwhelming evidence. The only question is, would Hunter go on the witness stand? That would be suicide because it would open up a Pandora's box, and the congressional hearings, the Republican committee will be waiting, hoping for him to go on the witness stand. It'd be foolish. They should cut a deal.
I mean, could they still cut a deal now when the case is on? I should just tell everyone this was moments ago when Hunter entered, and Ashley Biden, his half-sister, also has just entered the court case. So you're saying real quick, Leo, you believe that they could still cut a deal?
I think they can still cut a deal as long as they both sides agree to it. The judge could dismiss the jury. She could take that deal. But why do you go through this charade at this late stage? They should have done it before they impaneled. It's ridiculous. But I'll tell you right now, factually, this case is a slam dunk for the prosecution. There's no way Hunter Biden cannot be found guilty.
He does have a home team jury just because everybody in Delaware does know him. Leo, appreciate your legal insight. Thank you. Always.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.